70s, there were probably 3 computers in the city of Bombay then, right? One was obviously with the BARC, which is the Bhabha Atomic Research Center. The other one had to be with IIT Mumbai because it's a technology institute, and probably the third one was with Asian Paints, right? So it's a kind of a story which kind of gets told almost like a religion when you join Asian Paints IT.
Asian Paint is one of the most iconic brands I've known. In my early days, I always looked up to the advertisement on the TV of Asian Paints, and it was fascinating. I got to know Asian Paints when I joined SAP, and that's more than 2 decades back. When we started working with Asian Paints very closely, my perception about Asian Paint changed completely.
Our partnership with SAP is not only about, what shall you say, the products, but it's also about a deeper partnership where we tend to work with their lab teams, their development teams, and probably get a window to some of the newer implementations much earlier than, let's say, the rest of the world.
So when I look at Asian Paints and the SAP's journey, they're one of the first to adopt our technology on HANA, as well as on analytics, as well as on cloud adoption.
And when we came to simple finance migration, what was told to us by consultant was that we would have to shut off our ERP system for 4 days. That, even with a Diwali holiday thrown in there, that was not a reality for the business in some sense of the word. We just couldn't afford to lose that much time. So we had to shorten this window. And that's when the near zero downtime was not available for migration out there. SAP tweaked the near zero downtime code, made it available for our simple finance, and we were able to do it with a significantly smaller downtime than what was earlier envisaged. Why is it a great thing? Because not only did Asian Paints achieve it, but SAP now made this the standard way in which migrations would be done for all the customers globally. So anybody that has a very large instance could actually utilize this platform. So this partnership is not limited to just producing sort of goods for us and SAP. It is also to create sort of the new or next gen products for customers at large in some sense of the word.
In fact, some of the IT partners look at Asian Paints as a co-innovation partner, because what we bring to table is this entire thing of using the technology, getting the value, even going and using it in very innovative ways. So they kind of value our inputs and then allow us to kind of be part of their advisory boards and so on. So there are these big, large companies like SAP or even IBM who are kind of creating the new future roadmaps of what next application or technology they should invest in. And we kind of, are party to some of those conversations.
Thank you. Welcome to Sapphire.
Sapphire is SAP's premier customer event where more than 20,000 customers participate, and it is one of the biggest technology customer events in the world.
So please welcome with me on stage the President of Home Improvement, Supply Chain and IT from Asian Paints, Manish Chokshi.
Thank you.
Asian Paints has always been at the center stage to demonstrate their ability to leverage technology to create a business impact, to transform business, and to create new models.
There would be analysts from Gartner. There would be large Big 5 system integrators, whether it be Deloitte or Accenture or Capgemini. We had the Formula One Mercedes team kind of sharing the stage of how they were using HANA to transform the way they do race analytics. We had this retailer Costco, which is one of the largest retailers in the, not the Walmart, but the Costco is in this wholesale kind of a business in the US. So they shared their story on how they were using, or they were starting to use HANA, and here we had already completed the journey of doing so much innovation on HANA, right? So these are the kind of companies which kind of get represented there.
And they have been truly embarking on improving the consumer experience and the employee experience by leveraging technology, and they would be one of the top 5 percentile of our global innovators.